Today, we're going to take you into the world of automation, manufacturing and automation, and robotics. This is going to be a pretty cool video. I think people really need some insights to what automation and robotics looks like. And I'm going to kind of just walk you guys through, and we're going to go into this together and do like a step-by-step of some of the different aspects of automation and robotics. And if you have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comments below. Because I know there's going to be a lot of things that I leave out in this video, and I can elaborate in further videos. So just make sure that you leave a comment and whatnot. Let's go ahead and jump into the computer real quick, because it's going to be the easiest way to visualize some things. We can put some things behind me as well, but this is going to be one of the easiest ways. So I'll just take you directly to our website, eliteautomationusa.com, and then we'll come into here, okay? If you want a quote, you can request a quote right here. But in reality, we'll accept the cookies. Give them all the cookies. All right. So robotics and automation, what is it, right? So as you can see right here, right on our home page, we have a couple of robotic arms. These arms right here are 6-axis arms, and they're made by different brands in this particular instance. This over here is an AMR. And so for the robotic arms, they come in different style of arms. You can have Delta robots, Scara robots, 6-axis robots, 5-axis robots, Cartesian robots. There's all different types of robots, and then there's different brands. Like as you can see right here, this is a Fanuc, and this right here is a KUKA. You have like Yaskawa and Denso and ABB and Nachi, and there's a ton of brands. I mean, it's not a lot, but there's like maybe like 12 brands, at least 12 like pretty popular brands. There's probably like 24 or 25 or 50 or you know what I mean. There's probably a decent amount more robots out there. There's nobody knows of them. People haven't really heard of them. And there's also some robots like Cartesian robots that are not necessarily owned by anybody per se. They're just like kind of custom solutions using like Allen Bradley servo drives, which that might be taking it off into the weeds a little bit and taking us down a road that you don't necessarily know of just yet.